I'm extremely sorry. This idiot over here ended my video. But look how cute this cat is.
Ow, ow, ow.
Hi, baby.
Ow, bozo.
Shut up.
Have a look, I want to see the best of video.
Hi,
We
baby.
haven't done it yet. And I've been happy for the...
Hi, baby. Fresno. Hello. The reason that it's called Fresno is because his mum was called Pepper, so then they named all of her children after Pepper.
Close up.
Close up.
No,
Close up. Look at the cute little baby. Oh, he's gone. Not your fault. We need to go find him. Look, he's running outside. Oh my god, he's so cute. Let's go get him. I'm gonna go get him. Running down the stairs. Catch him running down the stairs. Oh, I found him. Go round here. Go round. Wee. Damn, he went. Anyway, I guess that's the end. Bye, guys.